And now it's time for us to download. So go to download. Canva will suggest to you what you can, what kind of format you can download it. If you want to explore further, of course, you can click the downward, sign. You can download it as JPEG, PDF, GIF, no sound. But if you want to incorporate sound, then you can download as MP4. So download. Gonna fast forward this video because it depends on how many elements you have it in your design. So this will take some time, and also depends on your internet speed. All right, it's done. Let's watch it now. Oh, just a bit cut off, huh? All right, that's okay. Noted. Okay, so that's the video in general. If you like to present it, as I've shown probably earlier, click on that and you can present accordingly. Okay, then you can use this to navigate. Yeah, click on this and click also on the video. For video, it needs to have an internet connection. Okay, once you've done, you can click outside. Yeah, if you want to download this resource, click download, click on JPEG. Yep. Okay, select, make sure before you click anything else, click done, click on your selection. So I'm going to just download maybe page 1. Page 1, download. Okay, so that's downloaded. All right, you can use it for your course. You can use it for your presentation, put it in PowerPoint, for example. And then, just mention a PowerPoint. What you can do as well is, just let me go down here. Let's go to download. You go to, not this one, sorry. Instead of download, can you see these 3 dots? Click on 3 dots. You go down. Let me just see. Okay, not here. Click on see all. Okay, can you see this Microsoft PowerPoint? So this is one of the things that you can do, but cannot promise whether you can see everything. So click on Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm gonna just do only one first because it will take a long time. Gonna just do only one and maybe 2. Let's see, sorry. The text. Download. It'll be downloaded as a PPTX, a PowerPoint text for a file. And I go to my download folder. Okay. All right. So I open this as a Microsoft PowerPoint. So I have my designs in Canva. I created my design in Canva, and then I downloaded this as a Microsoft PowerPoint. And you can see that the design formatting is a little bit, not that great. This how to Canva is actually a straight line. But the rest are okay, more or less in place. You can see the next one, especially for text, is okay, not too bad. But I wouldn't present it without changing this. So I need to just do a little bit of changes here and there, so that I can see, can play. So that's in PowerPoint presentation. Everything's there more or less. Just the formatting runs on an ORI a little bit here and there. So that's what you need to do. All right. So I think that's about it from me in this course. I hope you'd find this course useful in creating design in Canva. And I really hope you find also that Canva is where you can find all the wonderful stuff, photos, videos, music, the elements, which is the mainstay, which is the wonderful elements, animated, colorful, really creative elements are in here. And also templates, they have beautiful templates in Canva. So I hope with all this together, you would actually find Canva useful as a resource for your presentation, for your social media posts, and even for your videos. Yeah, so for many other things, as you can see in the course. So thank you for taking this course, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my other video tutorial.